Day 26, and we packing up with all the little bags around us. So no breakfast here, we take breakfast on the way. And we slept like two babies on the new air mattress.
I'm so happy with that one.
Yeah.
So happy. So
Yeah.
we're gonna hike on a long hike. Short hike, you can use the
Yeah, that's no problem.
the sleeping
Yeah,
pad.
but a long hike, if we sleep a lot of days in the tent, you need and if you're old people like us,
Yeah.
you really need extra comfort. So we slept really good. Now we're just packing up the last things, and then we walk on to a little lake we saw, and hopefully we can eat breakfast there with not so much mosquitoes. So see you on the way.
We haven't come to the lake, but we'll find this. We find a table in the woods. We come from down there, and we go and pass here, and we found this spot here. So why not breakfast in the woods?
Yeah.
And for breakfast we have
The same as last night.
hard bread,
Hard bread with
shrimp cheese,
shrimp cheese and coffee.
Yeah.
And because I can't carry this around because I'm gonna break them.
You're just going to be crumbles.
Yeah, and then
We have to eat them.
Yeah.
And my
If it becomes
long johns is up, and I think they become a little bit moist on during the night. So this is the new routine.
Yeah.
Yeah. So coffee, hard bread,
Shrimp cheese.
shrimp cheese, and hopefully we can take a shower in the lake when we get there.
Yeah, but it was fresh last night to shower off with the water.
Yeah, like we says, you need so little.
Yeah.
To be so fresh.
Yeah. The smell was gone, and you air out your clothes, and today we can make our laundry, so we can have a new setup of clothes, and then it's gonna be nice. But
I'm so longing for coffee.
me too. And I'm longing for water as well. We have almost no water left, and I'm super thirsty. I was thirsty last night as well. So
This is all we got.
yeah.
Left. But the pan is full.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
We have 2 cups of coffee, and Anna wanted oatmeal as well, so I put in some extra water there. And then she wants the hard bread instead. So
but we have a lot of coffee instead.
yeah, and that's good.
That's nice.
And for lunch we're going for oatmeal because we have a yogurt in our backpacks. And super nice weather.
Yeah. And we're gonna get the water from the lake, so no problem for us.
No, did I pack down my phone?
I think so. Get it?
Yes, please. Yes, please. I want to know what time it is, so I can tell the guys.
I can give the time here. 8:41.
Oh. It's late, but it's piping hot.
Yes, it's really hot today, and the wind had. It was so windy yesterday until 12:01.
Yeah, 1 o'clock, and then it
Yeah.
goes down a little bit. It's still windy from time to time, but not as windy as yesterday. But now it's okay.
And the tent was completely dry, no condensation.
No,
So that was a good one.
Yeah.
But now it's coffee time.
We have seen so many beautiful things, places when we're walking around like this. It's so majestic every time, so if I could, I wanted to film the whole experience, but you cannot, unfortunately. But it's so beautiful everywhere. a lot of lakes, rivers, walking in the stony forest yesterday. Awesome.
Beautiful houses.
Yeah.
Nice people.
Yeah, we found some nice people today again, and they filled us up with water, so now we're full again. They said no problems, so makes us so happy. Then it's easy to walk.
Now look at that house.
Yeah, it's huge. Whew. And a little bit of an uphill today. Yesterday was a flat day, so we came almost 20 kilometers yesterday, even though we have a super late start, waiting for my boots. But look at that house, beautiful.
The tunnel under the railway. The railway?
Yeah, old railway track, I think.
Ah, can be.
Yeah.
Huh? But it's a beautiful trail today.
Today again.
Today again. You can't almost see the trail. It's so many bushes, and I don't have my long pants, so I can't stop here and to take them on either, so I just have to move on. But this environment demands long pants, so I got to have my legs will not be pretty after this. And it's lunchtime, and the chef, he has done the oatmeal. An oatmeal with no nuts for Dan, and I have some oatmeal with nuts and raisins. I was longing for that. So this is a absolutely perfect spot. And even hard bread and shrimp cheese.
Yeah, 3 slices of hard bread left.
Yeah.
And shrimp cheese. And yogurt.
And yogurt.
We have this one for the oatmeal. And I didn't put raisins or nuts in mine because I was a little bit hungry, so I just shoved them in. So I couldn't save mine to the oatmeal.
But I have a lot of flies around me.
Yeah.
You have the mosquitoes and I have the flies.
Yeah.
Maybe the smell.
I don't know. I think it's just random.
Yeah, because now I see I have even in my shoes I have flies.
Yeah.
Down in my boots.
But here is a sunny, little bit windy sometimes spot, so that's why we are sitting here. We saw there was a lake. Oh, sorry, a lake a little bit. We have to walk a little bit more, but when we saw this spot, we cannot waste this because we don't know what the conditions are at the lake.
Never waste a good lunch spot.
No, so that's why we are lunching here, and maybe we can swim in the water here to clean off, or there's small lakes all the way, so maybe now, maybe later, we have to see.
Yeah, we have to see, but I can assure you that I'm going to swim in one lake today. Because
but the first lake was a dirty lake.
You couldn't. No, it was impossible.
Yeah, it was very
So hopefully I will swim in a lake, or manage to get some water out of there so you can clean yourself anyway. But we have to see. Maybe. Feels good?
Very cold, very, very cold. But it feels awesome. I'm piping hot, so it feels so good.
I can't believe it.
You almost died.
I almost died. Dan had taken his swim in here. So I got undressed. I got in there with my up to my knees, I think. And what do I see? Can you show them how big it was? No, for real, Dan. For real. That big leech just coming and swimming just towards me in the water.
Attacking Anna.
Anna attack leech. So no, I was not going to swim, so I had to take a shower with my little towel instead. And I was so longing for taking a swim, and so no, I was standing here and with the towel in the lake, and so I washed off. So it was nice. So it's dirty. I wonder if you could put those in the water. I never have tried. Well, I survived and I'm clean, so let's move on.
Filtering up some great drinking water. Because it's piping hot today. Sun all day. Now here we can stand because here's a little bit windy. But in the forest it's a lot of mosquitoes. And there we cannot stand still, so we rested here for a few minutes. How do you feel?
Hot. I'm hot and I'm so thirsty, but now we have water again. And this is how you can get dressed up to midsummer in Sweden.
Beautiful.
You are beautiful. And over there we have the midsummer pole. Yeah. And all the nice dressed people. So thank you for the water and the watermelon. Bye. Hello. This was a midsummer celebration, and they have lucky with the weather. Nice dresses, flower in the hair, coffee and strawberry cake, all that you need.
A flea market.
And a flea market, yeah. So now I'm so full of water in my stomach that it's clucking.
I drank over 1 liter of water.
Yeah, it was delicious.
Yeah.
So now we have about 1 hour more to our to the lake that we're gonna take a swim. Hopefully without the leeches.
Yeah, one of the nice gentlemen here says it was like 6 kilometers and only up and down. So that makes me happy. A perfect end of a day.
So maybe 1.5 hours then. But now it was good with the water.
Super good.
So here we are, another lake. But this lake I have taken a bath, a shower, hair and everything. And Dan is cooking the dinner. And for dinner we have noodles.
Lake water, noodles, and I need coffee as well.
Oh,
so
delicious.
Noodle with rice cakes and coffee.
And I have done the laundry, but I forgot my for my nose. I have to get out here. So I have the green soap in my hair, on my body, and for the clothes as well. So our clothes is lying here on this pier. I don't know the name, I always forget. So it lying here and dries out. And now I will wash this one as well. But look at this lake.
And fancy dish, noodles and some pasta thingy. We put some ketchup on it and
Rice cake?
corn this time.
Is it corn?
Yeah.
Oh, corn cake.
We always buy the cheapest one. Sometimes it's corn, sometimes it's rice. And waiting for extra water to boil up so we can make some good cheddar. Eller
Ice, croissant.
No, not croissant.
And no ice.
No.
And we're not going to sleep here.
No.
You can hear and see why.
Yeah, a lot of
Too much people.
Screaming kids and shouting and adults.
No.
So, no.
We will eat up and
walk on.
and take the first.
Yeah, first spot out of this little small village. So maybe half an hour's walk
Hopefully.
more. Yeah.
But not anymore.
No, yesterday we found a great spot.
So finally.
Yeah.
Yeah. We searched for so long. And when we left that place today, I didn't see any place either after this. So it's a bit hard to find our kind of place because this one here is perfect.
Yeah.
But it's going to be so much more people here.
So we eat up and then we walk on and see what we can find. Hopefully a nice spot. I think it's going to be incredible much mosquitoes today, so we have to just put all our clothes on and I pitched the tent fast, crazy fast, and when that's why we're eating here and drinking coffee and tea here, because we are
completely finished with that one.
Yeah. So maybe sum up this day in the tent later with all the mosquitoes. It will be a fun
in the tent, not outside the tent.
No, in the tent. Maybe I can film some when Anna's pitching the tent. We can see what we can find. My nose is a little bit. Was it because of the swim, or maybe it's a little bit windy here? So
windy. Yeah. So that's why here is no bugs, nothing, no flies, nothing.
No, here is incredible. Absolutely fantastic to sit here. So, but let's eat up. Less talking, more eating. Here's our tent place for tonight, and it's like a million of gnots or knobs or whatever you say the name was. And it's crazy, but we walked and we couldn't find any nice place, so this has to be it. We have a lake over there, we have the trail over there. Well, we go in there tomorrow. I walked up the trail and couldn't find anything, so but here just pitch the tent and then we run in, and then tomorrow morning we just have to run out. You have to say anything? No talking, just waving. Are you waving to the camera or you're waving to the mosquito?
Oh, they are living in that grass, I can assure you that. Oh, and today as well, I always forget, we have by the mesh over the head, the net, the head net, and I forgot today again.
Nice, that's luxurious. But now we throw everything in and just run in the tent, and we're not going up for tomorrow. So good night, thumb up, make a nice comment. See you in tomorrow's video. Bye bye, my friends, bye bye.